Good morning, children. I'm Mr. Piyush Paul Singh, your Vice Principal, and today I'm going to tell you about how you have to submit your answer booklet in the school for half-yearly examination. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is you have to make an answer booklet. Now, this is an answer booklet. What you have to make it, right? This is not available in the market. You just have to take all the register pages. How many register pages you will write? You will have to staple it all together. Okay, like this, what I have done. This is the answer booklet which I have made. You have to write all your answers. You have to solve all the answers over here. Okay, and you have to make a booklet like this. Okay, per subject you have to make a separate answer booklet like you used to make in the unit test. The page specification has been given to you, and that is A4 size register pages. You have to use register pages like this, A4 size. You have to make a booklet accordingly. For each and every subject you have to make a booklet. Understood? That is very simple. Now comes the problem how you have to submit it. Suppose you have made 10 booklets for 10 subjects. Okay, you have to keep all these booklets inside an envelope. Okay, this is how you have to keep all the booklets inside this envelope. All the booklets to be kept inside one big yellow envelope. Okay, got it? The admit card which you are getting from the school office, this is the admit card which you are getting from the school office. That admit card you have to put it in front of the envelope. You have to stick it in front of the envelope like I have done right now. Okay, in the admit card, now there are some specifications in the admit card. This is the admit card which you are getting from the school office. You have to come personally, or one of your parent can come personally and collect this admit card. Okay, simple as that. In this admit card you have to stick your photo in the school uniform, passport size photo in the school uniform. There's a column given over here for signature. You have to sign it. Okay, this space is given for you to write the subjects which you have given inside this answer booklet. Okay, suppose you have given physics, so you will write very nicely in a very nice manner with a black pen, half-yearly examination. Number 1, physics booklet. Number 2, English 1 booklet. Number 3, Hindi booklet. Like this you have to write in the admit card. You have to stick it in top of the envelope like this with your photo and your signature, and then you have to come on the given date to submit this full envelope. Okay, this is how you will have to submit it over in the school. Okay, children, regarding your map work, map will come into the group along with the question paper. Okay, as the question paper will be given in the group, okay, in a PDF form, you have to take a printout of it, and then you have to solve the question paper in the answer booklet. Same is the map. Map will also come in the form of a PDF, or an image will come. You have to take a printout of that map, solve the map, attach it with the answer booklet, and then you have to submit it in the yellow envelope. Second thing is graph. Graph you have to buy it from outside. 1 centimeter graph or 2 centimeter graph, any graph whatever is required. Okay, you can buy it from the stationery shops, the graph book, graph pages, and you can solve the graph question if graph is needed. You can solve it, and then you can stick it with the answer booklet, and you can submit it into the yellow envelope. Again, I am going to tell you the question papers will come in the group in the form of a PDF. Okay, you have to download that PDF, take the printout of that PDF, solve the question paper, and then you have to submit the answer booklet. Now a question came to me that, sir, whether we have to only write the answer or with the questions also. Children, you have to write the questions in the answer booklet. As the question paper is there, you have to solve it likewise, like we used to do earlier when the school was open. And when the school was open, we used to solve the question paper. We used to write all the questions, along with the answer. So same thing you have to do with the answer booklet which you have made. You have to write all the questions along with the answers, and then you have to submit the answer booklet in the yellow envelope. Again I am saying, repeating it again, that the question paper will be coming into the group early in the morning on the given date of your given instructions in the group. Your half-yearly examinations instructions will be given, which have been given again and again. I will give it again in the group. Please look at the group, whatever instructions are being provided. So I think everybody is clear how they have to make the answer booklet, how they have to submit it into the school, and how they have to do with the maps and the graph. Okay, right. Children, one more question was there, sir, what we have to do regarding the front page. Now the front page will be uploaded in the group. Okay, you have to take out printouts of that front page. Okay, in that front page nothing is there. You just have to write your name, your class, your section, subject, and a small signature will be of yours. Okay, you have to take out that front page. Okay, attach it in front of the answer booklet. Now every subject is having separate answer booklet, so every subject will have a separate front page. Okay, we need a front page for every answer booklet which you will attach into the yellow envelope. Okay, nothing in the front page, only your name, class, section, subject, and your signature. There's a difference between the front page and the admit card. Admit card, the original admit card which is over there in the school office, which is authorized by me, my signature, that admit card only you have to attach it in front of the yellow envelope. This front page, which will come in the form of a PDF in the group on the given date, on the examination date, on the question paper uploading date, that date you have to, that front page you have to take it out, print it out. Like suppose you are having 11 subjects, 11 front pages will be needed, 11 booklets will be there, and 11 front pages will be there. Admit card only one, the original one, in front of the envelope for all the classes. Okay, for all the classes. So this is how you have to do with the front page. The front page will come in the PDF form. You have to print it out, and then you have to attach in front of the answer booklet. Okay, children. Any other query, you are free to contact me through WhatsApp. You are free to contact the school office. You are free to contact your teacher through WhatsApp. Okay, and you can ask whatever questions you have. I think everybody is clear with class 1 and 2. Again, I'm repeating, you have to solve the class 1 and 2 question paper, and then you have to submit it in the school envelope. From class 3 to class 12, you have to make an answer booklet. Okay, and you have to solve the question paper in that answer booklet. The answer booklet again will be a register size, A4 size paper, like we used to make in the unit test. Okay, from classes 3rd to 12th. Understood? Thank you, children. Take care and best of luck for your half-yearly examinations. Thank you.